Cole's going to show you what happens when you have germs and what you need to do. We're going to pretend that this pepper is germs. Ooh, that's a lot of germs. Okay, Cole, stick your finger in the germs and see what happens. Oh, look at the germs on there. Okay, now we're going to wipe off the germs here, and we're going to put soap on his finger.
Oh, yes.
And this is why we wash our hands. Okay, stick that finger in there. Look at that, all the germs ran away.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Cole. And what does that prove? That you need to wash your hands with soap, huh? Yeah?
Why the germs?